Festive season has always been a great time for car sales. Not only because people get carried away with the festive spirit, but also because of huge discounts normally offered by companies in this period. However, this year is different. With the auto sector struggling with chip shortage, almost all companies have resorted to production cuts, leading to long waiting periods for popular models. For example, if you're planning to buy a Thar, you have to wait for at least a year. For Maruti Ertiga and Hyundai Creta, the waiting period is around 9 months, and the list goes on. Dealers said they have started placing orders with the companies for pre-booked orders, but the supply of fresh cars is low. And it's simple economics. When demand is high and supply is low, discounts disappear. Whatever little discounts are available are on models with low demand or those with a lot of competition. In case you're planning to bring home a Maruti Suzuki S-Cross, the company is offering discounts only up to 40,000 rupees. For Swift and Swift Desire, discounts are up to 22,000 rupees. Hyundai is offering discounts up to 50,000 rupees on the Grand i10 Nios, Aura, i20 this Diwali. There's no offer on the Creta Verna. Forced to wait for months, several customers have opted to wait and cancel their bookings. Dealers say this is already reflecting on the sales figures for Navratri, which may not be as high as they hoped for. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.